cold outside, it tingles in my heart.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to do a Christmas decorate with me. I'm so excited about this. I have been anticipating this for a very long time. But before we get into this video, I wanted to let you guys know that this video is in collaboration with my friend Jennifer over at Mind&Soul Mommy. She does a lot of similar content like I do. She does hauls, clean with me's, decorate with me's, just all kinds of things. So definitely go and check out her channel as well. I will link it down below. But if you like the content that I put out, you will also love her channel. She is also doing a Christmas decorate with me. I know she has a few different parts of her decorate with me, so go and check all of those out. And without further ado, let's go ahead and let's get into this video. So I just started out by vacuuming, which I found out later was completely pointless because I'm going to be using some of the garland that has glitter in it and it just goes everywhere and I have to redo the job. But I went ahead and cleaned up after all of my fall decor, so that's what you see me doing right here.
That's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland.
So I just start out by putting my garland onto my fireplace, and if you watched my Hobby Lobby shop with me, you probably saw that I was talking about the fact that the garlands are extremely expensive. And so I just decided to get this lamb's ear, which by the way, you guys, look at my leggings. I had so much of the fake snow all over my leggings and I could not get it off. So yeah, that's what that is. And yeah, I was aware it was on there. But anyways, so I decided to make my own garland. So I bought this lamb's ear garland from Hobby Lobby and it was $19.99, but it was half of that. So I got it for about $10. And I'm just adding in some of the eucalyptus, and it was the eucalyptus that looked like it had the snow all over it. So I added in 3 of those. You can see them, they keep falling off and I have to put them back, but I decided to go ahead and use some of the cotton since I'm going for kind of like a farmhouse Christmas kind of a look. So I'm using some of the cotton there, and then I'm also putting in the snow-covered eucalyptus, and I'm also adding in these pine cones that actually came from our backyard. So I'm just adding some of those in, and I really love the way that it turned out.
Watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy.
These floral hollyberry picks were such an amazing find from the Dollar Tree. I'm actually regretting not picking up more, but I did find these. I think I put a total of 4 in there, and then you'll also see me add in some eucalyptus here in a second, as well as some like some pine sprig that has some cotton on it. I was really trying to incorporate cotton into our decor, as well as a lot of what people would think of, I guess, as like southern type of plants. So that's why I went with like the eucalyptus and the boxwood and things like that. I picked up the sign that you guys can see here that says Merry and Bright. I picked that up from Tuesday Morning. They also had one that said, I think it said Merry Christmas, but it looks so rustic farmhouse to me. I think it's so cute. And then you guys probably recognize all those other things. Those are from the Target dollar spot, the Dashing Through the Snow, and then the Welcome to the Winter Wonderland, that little tree that I just grabbed right there. And then, of course, the Ray Dunn is not from Target. I think I got that one at TJ Maxx. I have used the same blanket. It's not actually a rug, it's a blanket, but I have used the same blanket in my Halloween decor and in my Thanksgiving decor. So I really had it in mind to use for my Christmas decor. So it's just a blanket that I got off of Amazon. I'll link it below. I folded it in half, and then that white rug always sits right there. I think I picked that up from maybe Ross a really long time ago. But the red truck pillow came from Walmart. The Santa Define Good is a pillow that I made out of the Target Dollar Spot, and the other one is a Rae Dunn pillow, and I'm repurposing it. The other side actually says Trick or Treat.
'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you, with you.
So the next thing that I'm going to decorate is my tray here on my coffee table. This is the thing that I think I struggled with the most. I just couldn't really get it the way that I wanted it. You guys will see when I do my home tour. I've already changed a lot of things that were originally in this video. So I don't know if you guys have any suggestions or anything, let me know in the comment section. But it may be the greenery is a little too green for my liking, but it is actually greenery that I picked up from Walmart in the Christmas or like holiday section. It's got snow on it, but I don't know, I think that might be it, that it just looks a little bit too maybe summertime or something like that. So I don't know, tell me what you think in the comment section below, or if you have any suggestions, I would love to hear them.
And the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin.
I actually made these buffalo check pillows. One says Merry and one says Bright, and I did them in the Rae Dunn font. If you're interested in checking out the tutorial on these, I will link it below. I'm really loving decorating these trays right now. So this tray actually sits on my dining room table, which if you're new to my channel, I hate my dining room table. I've said it a million times, I really hate it. We are gonna get a new one, but I try to decorate it at least a little bit. So I actually stole this idea from Jennifer on Cook, Clean, and Repeat. She put this like faux snow stuff down and then put some fairy lights underneath it. And I think that it turned out really, really cute. You can kind of see it here in a second when I turn the lights on. So it's gonna look really good at night after I have everything in the tray and then I turn on the fairy lights. It's just gonna kind of give it a glow that will be kind of subtle, but you'll notice that it's there.
I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. A very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Every night, every day is a happy holiday. A very Merry Christmas to you. Oh, very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas I keep so near. Every light, every song, every friend that comes along. A very Merry Christmas to you.
I was really excited about this next part because I got to switch out my fall scents of my Mrs. Meyer's to my Christmas scents, And the fall scent that I had, it was pumpkin spice or spiced pumpkin or something like that, and I think it smelled awful. So I'm switching here to my orange clove scent, and it's my favorite. You can see I got it in the hand soap, we use it in the multi-purpose cleaner, and then the dish soap. I really love this dish drying mat. I actually picked this up at Big Lots early on in the season. I want to say it was like $4, but it was 25% off, so it's just really cute. It's got like a red Volkswagen, and the Volkswagen has a tree on top, so I just put that out on my counter. This was just a little bit of my decorating. I still have a lot more to do, so definitely subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed so you don't miss out on any of those videos. I still need to decorate my bedroom and my tree and just all kinds of stuff. Also my coffee bar, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on those videos. Also, don't forget to go and stop by Jennifer's channel. Again, her channel is Mind&Soul Mommy, and she is also doing a Christmas decorate with me. I will link her channel below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!